So I just purchased this from Amazon. And it's such a cool little nifty thing. But when I went to plug in my alarm clock, let's see if that's a good angle. It won't connect. It won't go in. But these ports work for like charging my phone and stuff. So I may not send it back. But my basic alarm clock plug, I don't know if you can see this, isn't going inside any of the holes. I don't want to force it. Because you know with electric you got to be careful with electricity. So yeah. I don't even know how I will rate this. I guess a 2. Because the plugs don't work. Alrighty. Thanks.